Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You have the essentials, VS Code and Git installed. First, launch VS Code and open a project folder. This creates workspace context. Once done, open the integrated terminal with Ctrl+ and run git status to confirm repository. Make sure autosave and your font size are usable for long sessions. This reduces interruptions. Next, install the two core extensions. One language support and one formatter. This gets you editing and saving with consistent style immediately. Now configure VS Code to work for your workflow. Install the language extension, linter, and a formatter, then set Format on Save in Settings. JSON so code remains clean. Once installed, customize key bindings for common actions like Format Document and Toggle Terminal to speed repetition. Open the command palette, create tasks. JSON to automate builds and create launch. JSON to run or debug. These steps let you build, run, and fix errors without leaving the editor, saving time and keeping focus. To finish, run a full build and start a debug session to confirm breakpoints and console output work. Once done, sync your settings to the cloud or export settings. JSON so your setup is portable. Make sure source control integrates. Stage, commit, and push a small change. If something goes wrong, first disable suspect extensions, then reload the window. If that fails, reinstall the extension. This targeted troubleshooting solves most issues without reinstalling VS Code entirely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.